Etnyre makes a complete line of tank semi-trailers specifically designed for the customer's needs. These trailers, generally referred to as transports or transport tanks, are made with tanks that are cylindrical or have a single or double taper. Transports are used to haul liquid products over public roads. These trailers can range in capacity from as little as 4,500-gallon trailer distributors to giant 14,000-gallon 8-axle transports. Depending on customer requirements, the trailers are constructed of either steel or aluminum. The tanks are generally insulated and jacketed with an aluminum outer skin. The products carried range in temperature from as low as 100 degrees to as high as 600 degrees and include asphalt, crude oil, fuel oil, pitch, and molten sulfur. Since these products are considered to be hazardous materials, the transport tank, manhole, and valving must be designed and constructed to DOT requirements. We also make B-train combination trailers for the Canadian and Michigan market. These consist of a semi-trailer which has a second fifth wheel on the rear to enable coupling a second trailer to the rear of the first trailer. Transports are used to pick up asphalt at the refinery or tank farm and transport product to the location where it is to be used or stored for use, thus eliminating the need for the distributor to pick up the asphalt, and thereby increasing the distributor's efficiency. Some specialized transports carry molten sulfur from the producer to chemical plants. In Michigan, special 14,000-gallon transports haul crude oil from rail yards to dealers that do not have rail service available to them.